guys, how y'all doing? Thank you guys so much for coming back and checking out this video. So today we're gonna be talking about my 6 months natural hair update. Since I had a setback in January of this year, so that was my happy new year. So it was January of this year and now it's July, so I'm here to talk about, you know, the progress and how my hair is doing, how it's growing. Alright guys, so I know that I've gained a lot of new subbies, and some of you guys have no idea that I went through a situation 6 months ago. So let me just quickly catch you guys up. Basically, one night I decided to twist my hair with gel, and I left the twisted gel in my hair for 2 days. I took out the twist, I fluffed my hair out. I jumped in a shower. So right when the water touched my hair, you know, and then the shampoo went in my hair, and the water and the shampoo and the gel and everything just did not work together, and my hair dreaded up, like literally dreads. So, and I panicked. I'm very good at detangling my hair. It was like 1 o'clock in the morning. I was just like, I need to go to sleep. I was so tired, and I was detangling and detangling, and I just ripped through it, you guys. I didn't do a good job. With the amount of dreads that I got, I should have took like 1 week, okay, if not longer, to detangle. But I took 3 to 5 hours I took to do my whole entire hair. So that's what happened to my hair, you guys. So the end result of that is my hair was very like stringy, right? Because I kind of ripped my hair out with my finger trying to take the tangle out. I had like length from here. There's some parts of my hair that is this short, literally, and then there's some part of my hair that is like super long, and then there's a lot of length that is like odd, like in the middle, that is just like far from the long and far from the short. So what I have been doing is I have been leaving my hair to grow out instead of just giving my hair like a big chop. Like if I was to even my hair out from the time that my hair got a setback, my hair, I would have had to cut it up to like right here, okay, for it to look right. But I wasn't trying to do that, okay? I took 7 years to grow my hair. I am not gonna be cutting that much of my hair. So I've been leaving it alone, nourishing it. I have been doing protein treatment. I use Afro-G, and I do my protein treatment. I've shared that with you guys. I have been using rice water. I have been rinsing my hair with rice water, and that I also have a video on that. And so I've been doing that, and on top of that, I have really been doing low manipulation hairstyle. Braids, twist out, braid out, leave my hair down. All the things that I've been doing is just focusing on strengthening my hair, gentle detangling, and low manipulation. Those are the 3 things that I have been doing from January to now. Right after the damage, you know, I had like 2 or 3 stringy pieces that were like tailbone length, and then I had a lot of hair that was waist length, and a whole lot more hair that was like shoulder length. So it's crazy. And yeah, so basically this is it, you know. Look, I have, you know, this layer and this layer and this layer and this layer and this layer. I mean, I had layers in my hair before, but this exaggerated it, like exaggerated it, you know. It made it more layered. And so I have tons of layers in here. And trust me, when it was before, you see how like you have these stringiness right here? Before, the stringiness was like all the way like here. So, you know, I really see a big difference. And because my hair is growing out and it's not breaking off, it has been able to even itself out. And I'm kind of like transitioning. I'm transitioning my ends to become thick. You know, instead of doing like a big chop to my ends, you know, I'm transitioning my ends to be thick again. Okay, so I'm actually very happy with the progress and how far it has come, and so I'm just gonna keep on doing what I have been doing. In order for me to really like cut properly, you know, trim properly, I have to blow dry it and then trim properly. So I might be doing that in the near future as well, to really get a proper cut, a proper trim of my hair. Alright guys, so this is what my hair looked like January of this year, and this is the progress of it. March, April, May, June, and July. This is what currently my hair looks like right now. And this is what I was talking about. When you look at the picture progress, you see how, like, you know, the thin ends is kind of like evening out a little bit because the hair is growing. So the hair is growing, so it's going towards the ends of the hair and thickening out the ends of the hair. And that is what I was telling you guys when I say, like, when you go to a setback, do not cut your hair right away. Don't cut your hair right away. Try to treat it for a little bit. Try to grow it out for a little bit so you can have a clear idea of exactly where you want to do your big chop or your big cut. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this update video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, comment below anything that's on your mind, any other requests, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And let's grow our hair together, you guys. Let's do this. You know, let's get to our hair goals together. Bye.